So how does your air conditioning system affect your engine? How much power does it draw away? This video should help. Now, because your system is powered by the engine, it pulls energy from it during operation, which can have an effect on your engine's performance. You've likely noticed your car's engine's RPMs increasing at idle when the compressor kicks on. It does this to offset the power draw by the air conditioning system. As for the question of how much power it draws, there's no one answer, as it depends on the make and model, the engine, the condition of the engine and the air conditioning system, and much more. It also depends on your acceleration and the year. Most cars manufactured after the year 2000 have a relay that shuts off air conditioning at wide open throttle to ensure ample power for the engine under hard acceleration. You'll also find that the power drawn from the engine has a more noticeable impact with smaller engines. If you drive a subcompact with a small 4-cylinder, for example, your engine will be much more affected during air conditioning operation than, let's say, a V8 with our Toyota Tundra, even if the amount of power drawn from the air conditioning is identical between the two cars. Did I miss anything that you want to add? First subscribe, then leave in the comment section below, and we'll continue the conversation there. Thanks for watching. I'm Dave Erickson. Adios.
Thanks for watching. Please click subscribe and give us a thumbs up. See you next time.